Today I went with my dad to the shop, Dirtworks in Palmer. Let's check this out. So, he's been working on this 490 Komatsu excavator. He got this whole side done, taking the track off, and it's looking really nice. He knows more about it than I do, so that's my dad.
Got a lot done so far. We're gonna finish this up.
Doesn't look like there's too many left. So, that's what it's looking like.
On the other side. I'm already sweating. It's not even 7 a.m. yet.
Can't be a grease baby with these bolts.
Nope. This is Loctite. Grab the nuts. Nuts are directional. You see this side's got a bevel to it. And this side does not have a bevel to it. So the side that's flat has to go up on the bottom like this. If you put the bevel side up this way, it'll walk every single bolt loose.
And just do that 4 more times.
I like to keep fairly clean. Put this on here, take this bar, put it underneath, on the nut, push it up into place, twist down. Put it up into place, twist down. These ones, you can grab it on the side. But you have to line them up because there's a groove where it holds it into place. There's a groove on each side so the bolt won't twist, but if it's below that groove, it'll twist. So you have to stick a bar up in here to either pull them off or put them back on.
So far, we've gotten, I think, 2 on here. And this has been fun, totally. But I got a time lapse on that phone so you guys can see the whole thing, which is going to be really cool. This is going to be an amazing video, man. I think here in a little bit, my dad's going to have me bring in the Gladiator and clean it out for him, because it's a little dirty. I mean, it's not bad, but it does need to clean out. That'll be fun and interesting for the video. Right now, we're just working on the 490 Komatsu. Well, mainly him. I'm just helping a little bit. He's gotten all the tracks back together. It's looking really nice. So it's been fun. Just a workout. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this video for you guys. Stay tuned. You guys should know what I'm doing by now.
Alright.
Got the shop back. Now it's time to clean out my dad's shop. So what, just leave the doors open?
Yeah, you can.
It's not too,
Done with one side instead of
not too dirty. So just what, throw everything in a trash bag?
there's a trash can right there.
First things first. Trash. Get everything out of here. You want this thing thrown away? I don't know what it is.
Those are clips. No, leave them in there.
Box. Alright. What about that lock? You just want it? Alrighty.
Bulbs in the back. Like, do not want broke or misplaced.
Light bulbs?
So these, yeah, those are my regular light bulbs. They still do work, so I'm going to keep them in the box. And there's another set of light.
I'm just gonna throw everything in the back, I think, for now. That doesn't need to be in there. It's all your clothes and...
There's a pair of gloves you could have.
They might fit. Not a bad pair of gloves. What do you guys think?
They're pretty good gloves. And when you pull this stuff out and put it back there, when you put it back in here, will you just kind of fold it up and put it back in here nicely?
Take this out for now. So that thing.
Like all this stuff. You go back here when you finish cleaning.
Oh, it looks like someone spilled something. Probably water. I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh, that's broken.
Oh, what this is all about.
Tell ya. Leave a 40-year-old dad with a Jeep, and he gets it all
Kid's got
messy.
candy in my truck.
Are you sure that's not yours?
It's not mine. Somebody left these in there.
Right?
Candy corns.
Yeah. Probably the kids. I mean, there's only 7 of them besides, or 6 of them besides me.
Yellow?
My hat. You know, anybody else, let me know in the comments. Tell Ugly Stick to bring back the whole stick.
Here's a garbage bag. What?
Oh, I was just talking about how the Ugly Sticks don't come in the full stick no more. Where is it? Sticker? Trash. What's it look like? Let's go take a look at the sticker. Oh, some American stickers. Those are the old ones.
Done. That's garbage. So yeah, I want this one, and this one put on my truck. I don't want any of these put on there. This one, and this one. American flag, probably. I think it looked all right up there, huh?
Mm-hmm. If we have one on that side, maybe we should have one on this side.
All right, maybe this one up over here.
Mm-hmm.
And then the eagle.
Or on your window. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, it could go there.
Yeah, there, I think. That'd be better.
Yeah, and then none of those?
None of these. These are from Mom's truck.
Oh, frogs. So I'm going to set this here for now. Some more glasses. Very important thing when you're doing mechanic work. Glasses. I mean, you can never have enough, I guess. What is that? Oh, T-bone. Not a steak. Flat tire kit. Fire sticks. I bet you those things suck. Bolt, there's a nut right here. That's fun. And a punch. Okay. Oh. My gloves I could have used earlier. I'm always losing my mind. This thing. Somehow. Pull this off here. Connect it to the extension cord. It's a lot harder when you have one hand to do things. Okay, just a pain in the ass. Dirty thing. Smells like peanut butter. Get some of this. Probably not very good lighting, but you know what? I'm trying. When everything is clean on this side, I'll see you guys then. So, I got everything clean out of there. I'm gonna grab this mat. It's quite dirty, actually. But there's no way I can get it cleaner unless if I had the right stuff to do it. So right now, I'm just gonna put it back in here for now. It's clean enough. Boom. Now, I'll see you guys when I get back here. Clean. Oh, dude, this is not gonna work. Oh my god. Number one rule, do not put a bottle of oil in your brand new trucks. Alright, I think this side's done. Except for that mat. I'll come back to that later. Yeah, I can't get that stuff up, which is completely fine. So, and then I think, let's take a check on this thing. So what I'm gonna do, since it leaked, is I'm just gonna wipe all this on there. Get it to soak a little bit. Yeah. Oh, dude, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. Just, oh my god, dude, can you guys see that? Like, what the heck? Okay. That water gets really, really hot. You guys can see all that oil coming out of the mat. Like, holy moly, bro. I know there's a lot more I gotta deal with inside the truck. Roll this up like so, and squeeze it. Try to get all that oil out. Just gotta have fun with it, and it works. Alright? If you don't have fun with it, it ain't gonna work. There's hair on my hand. Ugh. It's so weird. And squeeze it out. Holy moly. One more time. Should be good. Where should I set this sobbing wet thing?
Just hang it over the back, I guess, or over the bed and put it there.
Got all the oil out. It's a sobbing wet mess. Probably this side, like this stuff right here. Just set the bottle and that stuff right there. So you just need a little bit. That's good. Take the rag. Wipe everything down, including, get the stuff out of the way, way up there. This stuff. Just make sure everything looks nice, okay? And you don't want it soaking. You just want enough on there. See, because, let the rag do the work. Back to grabbing these. Put them on the seat for now. Grab the orange one. Gosh, that's dirty. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wipe it down. And I know there's something I'm missing. I'll get to it in a minute. They're still activated. Wipe everything. This, yep. Okay. Everything is looking a lot better, mate. The center, be careful. Don't want to honk the horn. Okay. Now these bottles, move that out. Close the door. That is soaking. You got a way we can dry that thing faster? Good enough. Just like that, goes down in there. That one goes in there. It is soaked, but that's okay. Now I gotta put all this stuff back in the Jeep. So I will see you guys when everything is inside the Jeep. There. That's right, I can go up there, doesn't matter. And everything is looking pretty good.
It should just pop up.
Mm-hmm.
And then a J-hook.
There.
So place.
Brand new. Boom. Done.
Just like that.
Pulling the Jeep out of the shop that I just cleaned. Jeep Gladiator Nighthawk 2025 edition. It's a pretty badass ride. She looking good. Sicko. Let's close the shop up. Keep going. Yep. Put it back up around here. Take the excess. It's hard to do with one hand, bro, let me tell you. Now we're headed to go split some wood. Well, cut down some wood. And I'll see you guys when we get there. Well, we made it down the trail. I probably should have got some footage of getting down here, but I will get some footage for you guys on the way out of here. Because it's a bit of a weird trail. But thanks to my dad's boss, Scott. He owns quite a bit of acres back here. So thank him for that. And he's letting us come here and buck up some wood. So I'm gonna get some footage of my dad cutting some wood with his chainsaw. Okay, so I just spent like maybe 5-10 minutes throwing all the wood that he's bucking up over here. Now I'm gonna put it in the back of the Jeep. Well, there's a first time for everything, right? The first time I've done this, and I feel shitty about it. I was loading the wood in here, and it got some ice on the wood, and it slipped right out of my hand and caused to put a dent in my dad's Jeep. But he's okay with it. I told him immediately. So that's how me and my dad fill up a load of wood in our truck. His truck. We're almost done. So I'll let you guys know when we're almost done. Now we're on our way home from loading all the wood. We'll see you guys when we get home. Just made it back to the homestead from that load of wood in the back of that Jeep. Now I gotta go get the key to the other Jeep and move it, and then we're gonna unload it, so you guys will see that. So, me and my dad just finished up throwing all that out of here, and we had lots of fun today. We were at the shop this morning. We finished up some pads on the 490 Komatsu, and I cleaned out his truck.
Oh yeah, you cleaned up my truck
and got a load of wood. If you guys want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.